Hi friends, today I am going to transform this Crayola marker box into something spectacular. First take out the markers and remove the inner packaging from it. Then apply glue. And place a black paper on top. Next I am going to make small partitions using cardboard pieces. Glue the pieces as shown and cover with black paper. And our partitions are now ready. Now let's see what magic it creates. I think by now you would have guessed it. I have made an organizer here using which you can keep stationeries or accessories. We can customize this according to our needs. Hence I have not glued all the pieces. Here I am keeping my daughter's hair accessories like rubber bands, bow hair clips, normal clips, claw clips, some bracelets and chains. You can see how beautiful this looks, and it is also easy to carry whenever you are traveling for a function or occasion. So I hope you all like this idea. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.